Hello children, it is a great pleasure to meet you through this Max online class. Are you happy? Say yes or no? Yes, children, with the same joy we can now start the Max class. Okay, listen carefully. Now let us continuation of the previous class. Okay, in exercise 1.4 is the second question. Yes children, you see the question, all of you look at the board. Solve both the parts and compare the answers. Are they the same? Okay. Yesterday also we have studied these type of question only. Okay. Yesterday we are calculate addition and subtraction. Yes children. Today we are calculate multiplication and divisions. Okay. That's the difference. You see the question. Second one. First question already done yesterday. Now the second one. Okay. Solve both the parts and compare the answer. Are they the same? Okay. A part and B part is given. First of all, you solve the parts. Okay, children. A part. A part is what is given? Minus 5 into minus 2. Minus 5 into minus 2. Okay. Now you see in multiplication, you multiply the sign first. Okay. Minus into minus. Minus into minus. Plus, okay, 5 2s are 10. So, your answer minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 10. First of all, you multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now, you take B part. Your B part is minus 2 into minus 5. Order is changed. Yes. So, now you multiply minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. You see the answer? Both are same. Yes, children? You see the answer? Both are same. So, these answers are same. So, minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into minus 5. Okay? Okay, children? Listen carefully. Here, A part, B part is given. Two parts are given. Okay? So, now, first of all, you solve the parts. A part, what is that? Minus 5 into minus 2. Okay. So, minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10. Next, you take B part. Minus 2 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. Okay. We see that these two answers are same. Okay, children. So, that's why these two parts are equal. Okay. These two answers are equal. So, these two parts equal. So, minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into minus 5. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now, you come to the second one. Same type of question only. Multiplication. Okay. So, now we have to find the value of A part. Okay. So, A part is 7 into 8. 7 8s are 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. Okay. The next B part 8 into 7. Now, the order is changed. Okay. So, first of all, 7 into 8, 56. Now, the order is changed. 8 into 7. How much? 8 7s are 56. You see the answer? Both are same. Okay. So, therefore, 7 into 8 is equal to 8 into 7. Okay, children? It's so easy. Okay. So, all of you take a classwork note and continue the classwork. Okay. Yesterday, in exercise 1.4, that first question is done. Okay. Now the second question. Write it in your classwork note. Solve both the parts and compare the answers. Are they the same? In second question, first one, A part is minus 5 into minus 2 and B part is minus 2 into minus 5. Then after you find the solution. Okay. First of all, you find the value of A part. Then after you find the value of B part. Then afterwards we compare. Okay. Do. In second question, first part finish. Then only after you start the second one. Okay. Write one by one. Write neatly, children. Once a question answer is completed, you draw a line using scale and pencil. Okay. Write neatly, children. Have you finished? Yes. Then now next question. All of you listen. You see the question? Same type of question only. Solve both the parts and compare the answers. Okay? Are they same? First part, A part is 3 divided by 8 and B part is 8 divided by 3. Okay? So, here we have to find the value of 3 divided by 8. A part. A part is 3 divided by 8. 3 divided by 8 can be written as 3 upon 8. Yes, children? 3 divided by 8. Okay. Here any common factors are there in between numerator and denominator? No. Okay. So that's why the answer is 3 divided by 8. Now you take B part. Your B part is 8 divided by 3. Okay. 8 divided by 3. That B can be written as like this. Yes. 8 divided by 3. Now you compare these two answers. 3 upon 8 and 8 upon 3. Totally different. Yes. The value of 3 upon 8 and 8 upon 3 are totally different. Okay. So therefore A part and B part is unequal. Therefore 3 divided by 8 is not equal to 8 divided by 3. Okay, children? Do you understand? Yes, that is, it's so easy. Yes, children? Yes. Now you come to the fourth one. First of all, you find the value of A part. Okay. Your A part is minus 9 divided by minus 3. Okay. Minus 9 divided by minus 3 can be written as minus 9 like this. Yes. Minus 9 divided by minus 3. Now you see here, minus divided by minus is cancel. Otherwise, minus minus cancel. Okay, children? Now, numerator and denominator in between factors are there. Yes. Surely, these two numbers are divided by 3. Okay. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So, your answer is 3 by 1. So, your answer is only 1. 3 by 1 is equal to 3 only. Okay, children? Now, we find the value of B part. B part is minus 3 divided by minus 9. Okay. Minus 3 divided by minus 9. Minus minus cancel. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So, your answer is 1 divided by 3. Okay. Minus 3 divided by minus 9 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Okay. This A part value is 3. B part value is 1 upon 3. Okay. So, these two values are different. Yes or no, children? Yes. So, these two values are different. So, A part and B part is unequal. Therefore, A part minus 9 divided by minus 3 is not equal to minus 3 divided by minus 9. Okay, children? Are you clear? Yes. Now, write it in your class work note. Continue. Already in second sum, first one, second one is finished. Now, third. You start third one. Then third one finished after, you start fourth one. Okay. Write it. Write neatly, children. Write neatly. Have you finished? Yes. Now you come to the next question. All of you listen, children. A and B part are given. Okay. Now you find the value. Okay. So first A part. What is given? 6 upon 11 into minus 2 upon 7. Okay. 6 upon 11 into minus 2 upon 7. Okay. You see here. Anything common factors are there in between numerator and denominator? ஏதாவது வச்சு கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியுமா நம்ம எந்த டேபிளாலையும்? Here is 6, but down 7 and 11 is there. Okay, that is impossible. Yes, children. So we do multiplication. Okay, in multiplication we multiply numerator by numerator. Okay, so that's why 6 into minus 2 plus into minus minus 6 2s are 12 upon 11 7s are 77. Okay, 6 2s are 12 plus into minus minus. So your answer is minus 12 upon 11 7s are 77. Okay, so A part value is minus 12 upon 77. Now you find the value of B part. Your B part is minus 2 upon 7 into 6 upon 11. Okay, so now here also numerator and denominator between no common factors. Yes, children. So we do multiply. Okay, so in multiplication we multiply by numerator and multiply denominator by denominator. Okay, so multiply now. Minus 2 into 6 minus 2 into 6 minus into plus minus 2 6 are 12 upon 7 11s are 77. Now you compare the answer. These two answers are same. Okay, one answer is minus 12 upon minus 77 minus 12 upon 77 and B part answer is minus 12 upon 77. These two answers are same. So A part and B part is equal. Okay, therefore 6 upon 11 into minus 2 upon 7 is equal to minus 2 upon 7 into 6 upon 11. Okay, children, clear? Yes. Now the sixth one, A part. Okay, you see the question. A part and B part are given. Okay, first to find the value of A part. Okay, children. So A part is 11 upon minus 3 into 33 upon 5. Okay, now you see here 33, numerator 33 and denominator minus 3 is there. Okay, children. So yes, divided by 3. Yes, so 1 3 is 3. 11 3s are 33. Okay, so now you multiply numerator by numerator. Okay, so 11 11s are 121 upon minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 means your answer is minus 5. Okay. So it is not a standard form of rational number. So now you convert. Okay children. So minus 121 upon 5. Okay. Otherwise, first you convert into standard form here. Okay children. So do again. 11 upon minus 3 into 33 upon 5. Okay. You see there, this denominator that is have negative integer. Okay. So first of all you convert it. 11 upon minus 3 can be written as minus 11 upon 3 into 33 upon 5. Okay. Then after you do. Here numerator 33, denominator 3. So these two numbers surely divided by 3. Okay. 1 3 is 3. 11 3s are 33. Okay, now you multiply. In multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator. Okay, children? So, minus into plus, minus 11 11s are 121 upon 1 5 is 5. So, your answer is minus 121 upon 5. Okay, clear? Yes. Now, we find the value of B part. B part is 33 upon 5 into 11 upon minus 3. Okay. Here also this rational number have denominator negative integer. Okay children. So first of all you convert it. 33 upon 5 multiply 11 upon minus 3 can be written as minus 11 upon 3. Okay. Now numerator 33, denominator 3. So in between common factors are there. Yes. So now you divide it. 1 3 is 3. 11 3s are 33. Okay. Now you multiply. In multiplication, multiply by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay. So multiply numerator by numerator. 11 11s are 121. Okay. Here plus, here minus. So plus into minus, minus 121 upon 5 1 is 5. So your answer is minus 121 upon 5. Now you see here. These both answers are same. A part answer is minus 121 upon 5 and B part answer is minus 121 upon 5. Yes, these two answers are same. So A part and B part is equal. Okay. Therefore, 11 upon minus 3 into 33 upon 5 is equal to 33 upon 5 into 11 upon minus 3. Okay children. A part and B part are equal. Okay. Do it. Write it in your classwork note. Write fast children. Write without mistakes, okay? Have you finished? Do it fast. Write with good handwriting, okay children? I saw your handwriting in the homework note, oh yes? It's a very bad. Some students' handwriting very, very bad. So, students, write with good handwriting, okay? Now you are studying 7th and 8th standard. So, write neatly, okay children? Okay, children, I hope you have written. Now the next question. Now the next question. Seventh one, yes. A part is 13 upon minus 6 divided by 7 upon 18, okay? And B part is 7 upon 18 divided by 13 upon minus 6. Okay, children? Your question is A part 13 upon minus 6 divided by 7 upon 7 upon 18, and B part is 7 upon 18 divided by 13 upon minus 6. Okay, so now you find the value of A part. Okay, so your A part is 13 upon minus 6 divided by 7 upon 18. Okay, here 13 upon minus 6, so denominator have negative integer. Okay, children, so you convert it. Okay, so 13 upon minus 6 can be written as minus 13 upon 6 divided by 7 upon 18. Okay, now you see here division operation. Okay, so in division, how to find the value? In division of rational number, first of all, use the rules of multiplication of rational numbers, okay? And multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Yes, children? நம்மளுக்கு இங்கே டிவைட் ஆகிருந்தா நம்ம அதை என்ன செய்யணும்? மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் சைனாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யணும்? இட்ஸ் த அடிட்டிவ், ரெசிப்ரோக்கல். எஸ், மைனஸுக்கு தான் நம்ம அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் போடுவோம். அதே இது டிவிஷனுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? Reciprocal of rational numbers. Okay, reciprocal of rational number means reciprocal of your rational numbers can be found by reversing it. Okay, in a reciprocal of the number is numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Yes, children? So minus 13 upon 6 divided sign, that is into multiplication. Okay, so division sign into multiplication, that time you put the reciprocal. Reciprocal means, say in the reciprocal, in the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, children? So what is the reciprocal of 7 upon 18? 18 upon 7. Okay, are you clear? நல்லா கவனி. டிவிஷனுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? மல்டிப்ளையாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது divisorோட reciprocal. Okay, this is dividend, this is divisor. Okay, children? So we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so dividend கூட எதை multiply பண்ணணும்? Reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so that's why minus 13 upon 6 multiply reciprocal of 7 upon 18. So the reciprocal of 7 upon 18 is 18 upon 7. Okay, now you do. Here, in between numerator and denominator have anything common factors? Yes. Here, yes, 6, here 18 there. So surely it is divided by 6. 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18. Yes, children? Then remaining, here numerator, the minus 13 is there. Here 3. In denominator, here 1, that's 7. Okay. So now you multiply the numerator by numerator. Minus 13 into 3. Okay, children? In multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator. Okay, so that's why minus 13 into 3, how much your answer? Minus into plus, minus 13 3s are 39. Okay, minus 39 upon 7. Okay, are you clear? Yes. Now you come to the B part. Okay, you find the value of B part. Your B part is 7 upon 18 divided by 13 upon minus 6. Okay, now what is the value? First you see that this rational number have denominator negative. Okay, so now you convert it. 7 upon 18 divided by 13 upon minus 6 can be written as minus 13 upon 6. Okay, now next we do division, okay? So 7 upon 18 in division sign into multiply sign. That time you put the reciprocal, okay? Minus 13 upon 6. What is the reciprocal of minus 13 upon 6? Say, minus 6 upon 13. Okay, children? The reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative only, okay? So, in a reciprocal, the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator, okay? So, the reciprocal of minus 13 upon 6 is minus 6 upon 13, okay? Now, you multiply. Common factors are there, yes? 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18, okay? Now, you multiply. In multiplication, we multiply by numerator, okay? So, here 7, here minus 1. So, 7 into minus 1, minus 7 upon 3 13s are 39, okay? So, here B part value is minus 7 upon 39. But here A part value is minus 39 upon 7. So, here these both answers are unequal. Yes, children? Different. A part answer is minus 39 upon 7. B part answer is minus 7 upon 39. So, these answers are different. So, therefore, A part and B part is unequal. Okay. Therefore, 13 upon minus 6 divided by 7 upon 18 is not equal to 7 upon 18 divided by 13 upon 6. Okay, children? Do you understand? Is it so easy? Write it in your classwork note. Only calculation only, okay? So, calculation more. So, you do carefully. Okay, children? Do it. Write neatly. Have you finished? Next question. A part is 2 upon 3 divided by minus 7 upon 9, okay? And B part is minus 7 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. Okay, children? Don't write, listen, okay? So, first of all, you find the value of A part, okay? So, 2 upon 3 divided by minus 7 upon 9. Okay, children? Now, you see the denominator are positive only, okay? So, it is in standard form only, okay, children? So, we will do the next step, okay? So, 2 upon 3 division. In division, we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor, okay, children? So, 2 upon 3 division sign into multiplication sign. That time we put the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 9, okay? So, what is the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 9? Minus 9 upon 7, okay, children? Then reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative only, okay? So, only you write the reciprocal. In a reciprocal, the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, children? So that's why reciprocal of minus 7 upon 9 is equal to minus 9 upon 7. Okay. Now you see, any cancellation is there? Any common factors? Yes. 3 and 9 is surely divided by 3. Yes, children? So 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now you remaining numerator have 2 and 3 and denominator have 1 and 7. Okay. So now in multiplication we multiply by numerator. Okay. So that's why 2 into 3. Here minus also there. So plus into minus, 2 3s are 6 upon multiply by denominator. Okay. So 1 7 is 7. So your answer is minus 6 upon 7. Okay, children. Now you find the value of B part, where B part is minus 7 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. Okay. Minus 7 upon 9. Multiplication sign into, in division sign into multiplication. So you put the reciprocal of 2 upon 3. Okay. So 2 upon 3 reciprocal is 3 upon 2. Okay, children. In a reciprocal, the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay. So the reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Okay. Yes. Now here 3, here 9 is there. So you cancel it. Okay. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Now the remaining numerator have minus 7 into 1. Okay. So in multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator. Okay, children. In multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator and multiply denominator by denominator. Okay. So your answer is minus 7 into 1. What is the answer? Minus into plus minus. 1 7 is 7 upon 3 2s are 6. Okay. A part answer is minus 6 upon 7 and B part answer is minus 7 upon 6. These two answers are different. These two values are different. Okay. So A part and B part is unequal. Okay, children. Therefore, 2 upon 3 divided by minus 7 upon 9 is not equal to minus 7 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. Okay. These both parts are unequal. Okay, children. Note it down in your classwork note. Do it. Do fast. Write fast, children. Children, do the homework properly, and if you finish the homework, you take a photo of your homework and classwork and send it your WhatsApp number. Otherwise, you send to your WhatsApp group. Okay? Yes, children. So you do it properly. Okay. Now all of you take your maths homework note and write the maths homework. All of you take your maths homework note. You write the homework questions. All of you take your maths homework note and write the maths homework, okay? Same type of questions only. You see the question? Solve both the parts and compare the answers. Are they the same, okay? You see the first question? A part is 6 into 4 and B part is 4 into 6, okay? So first to find the value of A part and B part and compare, okay children? Now you come to the second question. It is division question, okay? So you convert into multiplication. So we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of divisor, okay children? Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor in division question, okay children? So do carefully, okay? You find the value of A part and B part, then after you compare this A part value and B part value. Okay children? Yes. Now you same type of question. Third and fourth only. Do carefully. Okay? So we will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.